All right, so I'm starting off this design with a YouTube thumbnail. I had seen this design in a Photoshop group and I wanted to recreate it. So here's my workspace, and I'm going to place a couple of photos on my workspace. Actually, one is going to be a video. So I'll start with the photo. This is the photo, and I'm going to place this as my background. I'm going to grab a video. Here is the video. And I'm going to position this video and resize it to fit the whole screen. And I'm going to take a copy of this video and I'm just going to place it right on top like that. I'm now going to go to my Position and Layers tab, and I'll grab the first video and I'm going to remove the background. So if you didn't know, yes, Canva can remove the background of videos. So here is that video right here. And now in order for us to see the original background with the city, let's go to the first video and let's go to transparency, and we're just going to decrease or increase the transparency just so that we can see the city popping through. Now, before we go, let's go back to the Position and Layers tab. Let's grab that first image. Let's go to Edit. Let's go to Filters. And let's apply a filter to that bottom layer like that. And let's press the play button and see what that looks like. And that's about it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, kind of a short video. If you did, press that thumbs up button, subscribe, turn that notification bell on. And if you have any other ideas for tutorials, things that you want to see, put that in the comments, and I'll put that on my list of video tutorials to create for you. For now, my friends, I'll say bye-bye. Until next time.